Good morning, children. You all can see on your screen there are some words given like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Can you guess what we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn pronouns. Words that take the place of nouns are called pronouns. Children, read these sentences. Tony is happy. He won a prize. Here we have used the word he in place of Tony. Ria has a doll. She also has a ball. Here we have used the word she in place of Ria. This is a cute dog. It loves to play all day. In the second sentence, we have used the word it in place of dog. Hi, I am Sonia. I study in grade 1. In the both sentences, we have used the word I when someone is talking themselves. Ria and Bob are friends. They go to school together. In the second sentence, we have used the word they to represent Ria and Bob. This is my family. We stay in a big house. In the second sentence, we have used the we to represent my family. Hello, Sam. You are a sailor. In the second sentence, we have used the you to represent Sam. You both are footballers. Do you play together? Notice, children, here you to represent two people. So, use a word you to represent not only one person but also to represent more than one person. In all the above sentences, we used the words I, he, she, it, they, we and you in place of nouns. The words that we use in place of nouns are called pronouns. The words are I, he, she, it, we, they, you are called pronouns. The pronoun she is used for girl and woman. For example, she is a doctor. She is Julie. The pronoun he is used for boy and man. For example, he is my father. He is a clown. The pronoun it is used for animals and things. For example, it is a bat. It is a squirrel. The pronoun they is used when we are talking about other people, animals or things. For example, they are playing, they are having fun. The pronoun we is used. I am talking about myself along with others. For example, this is Meera and I. We are friends. This is Joy and I. Both love ice cream. The pronoun you is used when we are talking in front of us. For example, you are singers. You are beautiful. So children, I hope all of you understood the usage of pronouns in the proper places. Okay? So all of you open page 25 in the grammar book. I lost my purse. I could not find it anyway. Why here choose we it? Because this sentence is talking about purse. That is a thing. Singular form. That's why we take the pronoun it. Second one. Hello Raju. I have come to see you. So we are talking about here Raju. That's why here we take the pronoun of you. The coach is teaching them how to swim. They or them. Which is the suitable children here? Them. Why? Because here plural form. teaching how to swim. That's why we choose the pronoun them. Next one, I can't do the sum. Please help me. Here I pronoun me. Okay, that's why we choose here me. Okay, this is the personal pronoun, children. Okay, next one, Mona like roses. She grows them in her garden. Them, roses, plural form. That's why we choose here them. Object pronoun, this one. Okay. Next. We are going to a film. Would you like to join us? See here, children. Objective of pronoun here us. Why? Because we is the subject. Subject object pronoun us. Understood? I telephoned her yesterday. Here I telephoned her yesterday. Why? Because this is the objective pronoun. End of the sentence. Okay? This is the subject pronoun. That's why choose her. We saw the tiger, but the tiger don't see us. We subject pronoun, children. What is the objective pronoun of the we? Us. Understood? Mrs. Sun teaches English. She is a good teacher. We are talking about Mrs. Sun. That's why we choose the pronoun here she. Why? Because Mrs. Sun is feminine gender. That means female. Okay? I want to buy these shoes, but they are too expensive. We are talking about shoes, children. So that's why here we choose the pronoun they. Next one. Use the suitable pronouns to complete the following. Observe the picture carefully, children, and use the suitable pronouns for fill these blanks. We all need a house to live in. A house protects us from heat, cold, and rain. It, we are talking about house. That's why we use here it pronoun. It protects us from thieves too. And it is built of bricks, cement, sand and steel. Understood, children? Next picture, observe. Here we are given one stars picture. I think stars in the sky. We see the stars only at night. All are seeing. That's why here we use as pronoun we. They are so far that they look like points of light in the night sky. Yes. The sun is also a star. It is nearest to the earth. It gives us heat and light. Why? Because children, here you use it as pronoun because we are talking about sun. Sun is a non-living thing. That's why we use here it. Understood? So, moving on to next page, page number 26. Words like himself, herself, yourself, yourselves, oneself, myself, itself, themselves and ourselves are called reflexive pronouns. Children, what is meant by reflexive? See, children, reflexive pronouns means it was talking about the subject. So, back to the subject of pronoun. That is called reflexive pronoun. For example, here see, Madhu looked at herself in the mirror. Madhu is feminine gender. So, we use herself of reflexive pronoun. Why? Because here subject is Madhu. That's why reflexive pronoun is herself. Understood? See the next one like that. The dog was scratching itself. Why? Because here we use itself because we are talking about dog, animal. That's why itself. The children enjoyed themselves at the party. Here we are talking about children, plural form. That's why we use themselves. I do all the cleaning myself. The subject is I here. So we use the reflexive pronoun myself. Understood? He washed his clothes himself. The subject is here he. That's why reflexive pronoun himself. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9. Try on your own, children. Fill these blanks with the suitable reflexive pronouns. Understood? Moving on to next one. Yes, here look at the pictures and write sentences as shown in the example. Yes, when the words this, that, these and those take the place of nouns, they are called demonstrative nouns. Understood, children? Which is the nearest one? We use this. This is a snake and that is a frog. Why? Because this is very far. That's why here we use that. These are called demonstrative pronouns. Understood? Here moving on to next picture. These are flowers. These flowers are very nearest. But here plural, many flowers are there. More than one. That's why we use nearest places for the flowers. These. Understood? And those are leaves. Why? Because those leaves are very far. That's why we use those. Here also more than one leaf. That's why we use plural form of those. Understood, children? Yes, moving on to page number 27. Here, which is the nearest one? Dog. That's why we use only one dog. That's why this is a dog, singular form. And that is a fox, very far. That's why we use that. Understood, children? Next one, these are apples, more than one apple. That's why we use these. And those are mangoes, more than one mango. We use those, very far. Words such as mine, ours, yours, theirs, yours, hers and his are called possessive pronouns. These are called. Say, children, here what is meant by possessive pronoun? Is a pronoun that is used to indicate position or ownership. Okay, this pen is my pen, not your pen. Here, this pen is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun, not yours. Okay, for example, mine. This is my laptop. It's mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. Yours. These glasses are mine, not yours. Understood? His. This is my brother's book. It's his. My brother's. In the place of my brother's, we use his. Understood, children? Hers. When we use hers, he offered to swap his camera for hers. Okay? Ours. I will show you to your room. I will. Okay? Your room. In the place of your, ours is next door. So, yours. The house is yours. This is a possessive pronoun. These are the possessive pronouns, children. Understood? So, coming back to page 27, children. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Observe the picture carefully. Fill these blanks. This is our house. This house is ours. What is the possessive pronoun of the our? Ours. This house belongs to us. Ours possessive pronoun us here. Okay. Second picture. This is my book. My book. This book is mine. My place we use mine. This book belongs to me. Okay? Like that. Yes. Next one. Observe the picture. This is Rani's cycle. Whose cycle? Rani's cycle. This cycle is hers. In the place of Rani's, we use possessive pronoun hers. This cycle belongs to her. So like that, fill these following blanks. Fourth one, fifth one, try on your own children. Okay, that's all for today's work. Read and write grammar in the lesson number 4 grammar book. Thank you.